hope for allergy sufferers this
Just
morning?
yesterday, we told you about these new tablets. They're supposed to help all the sneezing and the itchy eyes. And today, the Eye Opener's Antoine Antonio shows us another needle-free treatment that you can even do right at home.
Allergy sufferers in Europe have been using those liquid drops for years to treat allergies from tree pollen to dust mites. Patients who get allergy shots have to visit their doctor once or twice a week for up to 4 years. But most of the treatment with drops can be done at home. The drops are customized, mixed at a compounding pharmacy, much like the way the allergy shots are formulated, but there is a difference.
We don't really have much experience, even throughout the world in other countries as well as here, with giving sublingual immunotherapy to a range of air allergens.
So if you are allergic to more than one thing, studies show allergy shots are still your best bet. And another drawback, the drops are not FDA approved and they're likely not covered by your insurance. Antoinette Antonio, WCVB News Center 5.